Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah, in this video, we are going to learn lesson number 8 of Madani Qaidah. In this lesson, we will learn about standing harkat, quote, vertical harkat. Let's start reading. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Lesson number 8. Curry, vertical harkat. Vertical zabar, vertical zair, and inverted pesh are called curry, vertical harkat. But we will use standing instead of vertical. Standing zabar, standing zair, and inverted pesh. The vertical harkat means standing harkat are equivalent to the letters of madda. So pronounce vertical harkat by elongating them up to one alif, i.e. up to 2 harkat, like that in the case of the letters of madda. In this lesson, differentiate clearly between the letters that are qaribu salt, i.e. the letters that sound somewhat similar. Ta has standing zabar here, so we have to pronounce the letter first, ta first, then harkat. Ta, standing zabar, ta. Ta, standing zair, ti. Ta, inverted pesh, tu. All together. Ta, ti, tu. We have to stretch these letters for 2 seconds because these have standing harakats. So as we know, standing harakats are equivalent to the letters of madda. Next, o, standing zabar, o. O, standing zair, ti. O, inverted pesh, tu. O, ti, tu. Next, za, standing zabar, za. Za, standing zair, si. Za, inverted pesh, zu. All together. Za, si, zu. This lesson is very easy. Zal, standing zabar, za. Zal, standing zair, zi. Zal, inverted pesh, zu. Za, zi, zu. Next, zo, standing zabar, zo. Zo, standing zair, zi. Zo, inverted pesh, zu. Zo, zi, zu. Sa, standing zabar, sa. Sa, standing zair, si. Sa, inverted pesh, su. Sa, si, su. Sa without whistle. We don't say like sa, si. Sa, si, su. Next, seen, standing zabar, sa. Seen, standing zair, si. Seen, inverted pesh, su. Sa, si, su. Sod, standing zabar, so. Sod, standing zair, si. Sod, inverted pesh, su. So, si, su. Dal standing zebra the. Dal standing zebra the. Dal inverted pace do. The do. Lord standing zebra law. Lord standing zebra the. Lord inverted pace do. Law the do. Kaf standing zebra ka. Kaf standing zebra ki. Kaf inverted pace ku. Ka ki ku. Next, qaf has bold sound. Qaf standing zebra qa. Qaf standing zebra qi. Qaf inverted pace qu. Qa qi qu. Ha standing zebra ha. Ha standing zebra he. Ha inverted pace hu. Ha he hu. Ha standing zebra ha. Ha standing zebra he. Ha inverted pace hu. Ha he hu. Next, Hamza. Hamza can come with two shapes. First, like alif shape, and second has original shape. You have to remember one thing. Alif always comes with empty shape. Just it has single straight line like one. And Hamza always comes with harkat. It can come with zabar, zair, pesh, double zabar, double zair, double pesh, and even jazam. So Hamza standing zabar a. Hamza standing zair e. Hamza inverted pesh u. A e u. Next, Ain standing zabar a. Ain standing zair I. Ain inverted pesh u. A e u. Next, Ha standing zabar ha. Ha standing zair khi. Ha inverted pesh khu. Kha khi khu. Next, Ghain standing zabar gha. Ghain standing zair ghi. Ghain inverted pesh ghu. Gha ghi ghu. Ba standing zabar ba. Ba standing zair b. Ba inverted pesh bu. Ba b bu. Meem standing zabar ma. Meem standing zair me. Meem inverted pesh mu. Ma me mu. Wow standing zabar wa. Wow standing zair v. Wow inverted pace u. Wa we gu. Fa standing zabar fa, fa standing there fi, fa inverted pesh fu, fa fi fu, lam standing zabar la, lam standing there li, lam inverted pesh lu, la li lu, noon standing zabar na, noon standing there ni, noon inverted pesh nu, na ni nu, ra standing zabar ra, ra standing there ri, ra inverted pesh ru, ra ri ru, jeem standing zabar ja, jeem standing there ji, jeem inverted pesh ju, ja ji ju, sheen standing zabar sha, sheen standing there she, sheen inverted pesh shu, sha she shu, ya standing zabar ya, ya standing there ye, ya inverted pesh you, ya he you. Sadaqallahul Azim. I hope you like this video. If you like it, so please share with your friends and family members, and please subscribe to my channel for getting more Islamic videos, inshallah. Take care. See you in the next week. See you in the next lesson, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.